This is Ollie from Listing Monster, and this is just a very short video to show you how to use our Sourcing Monster scanner, which can be used to quickly value and allocate secondhand items or donated items to the right channel to maximize their price. So this might replace items that you might normally Google Lens or manually research on eBay. It's going to give you a faster, more accurate valuation, ensuring that your items end up in the right channel more often, generating more money for your charity or organization. So to use this tool, you're probably going to be using it on a phone or a tablet, so you can use the device camera. So you're going to log into Listing Monster there, and then on the left-hand menu, you're going to select Sourcing. This will bring you to the sourcing area of Listing Monster, and you'll see your previous scans in a table here. To add a new scan, you simply need to click Add Item, and then enter camera mode, where you'll snap one, possibly two photos of the item you want to value. In terms of photo guidance, we're going to want one photo, which is a kind of main photo of the whole item, which will allow the AI to identify what it's looking at. And then possibly a second photo, which is going to include the key bits of info that might affect the valuation of the item. So namely the brand, the model name or number of the item, and possibly any kind of special features like a signing or a special material like cashmere. If you can get that all in one shot, then great. If not, two. So you're going to enter camera mode and snap one or two pictures. I'm just going to load one in here, which I've pre-prepared. You'll see here that I've taken a main sort of whole photo of the item so that AI can see that it's a vase, a porcelain vase that it's looking at, and then a secondary photo which includes the brand and model name of the item. So that basically covers most of the things that are going to affect the valuation of the item. I then simply need to click Analyze Item, and then I'll see a new row on my scan table, which will start loading up. In terms of the process with which you should use Sourcing Monster, you shouldn't upload an item and then wait for the decision. You should upload all the items you want to scan in one go, basically. For example, if you have a bag of donated items, you might rip it open, there might be 10 items in there. There might be 3 or 4 you just visually know aren't going to be sellable due to condition, so you might put them into the reject pile before even scanning them, and then there might be a remainder which you want to check the valuation on, in which case I would just quickly rinse and repeat, go through that add item process for each of those 5 or 6 items, clicking add item, taking a couple of photos, analyze item, clicking add item again, and then at the end you can review all your results in one go. It just means you don't have to wait for the AI to come back with an answer. So you'll see that for that item we've just uploaded, the AI has gone and valued it based on previously sold similar items on eBay. And it will then compare it to a set of rules that your organization has set up to allocate stock between different channels. This will vary between every organization depending on what they would like. So the AI has valued this Royal Dalton Louisa vase at 19.99, and then according to the set of rules we've set up, which is basically the example here is everything over £25 should be sent to the e-commerce hub, and everything under £25 should be sold in store. So it's valued at 19.99. So the decision is sell in store. So you can then know which pile to push that item into, whether it's going to go into the box to go to the e-commerce hub, or whether it's going to go into the pile to go out on your retail shop floor or sold on eBay in store. So just to go through a few we scanned earlier. So here's the one we scanned first. Then scanned a game cartridge valued at £4 to £9. According to our rules, we sell that in store. A kitchen knife, we've set up a separate rule which restricts any bladed items being sold. The AI's seen that, therefore it's restricted it, and so on and so forth. We'll see some of the higher valued items here, and I'm off carriage clock. It's valued at £40 to £144. Therefore, as it's above £25, it's told you to go to put that in the ecom hub pile. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Start scanning. Any issues, just ping us a message in the live chat here in the bottom right.